Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today let's solve practice paper 14th of class 9 from Total English book. So as usual, you go through by the question number 1, 2 and 3. Let me directly begin from the question number 4. So the question number 4 is the comprehension. So you go through by the passage. Let me directly provide you the solutions. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. So let's begin. So the first one here, we have to select the correct word meaning as used in the passage from the given options. So the first one, nuisance, which means disadvantage. So option C is correct. Second, resistance. Here option A is correct, opposition. Second, which word in the passage means the opposite of the word real? So here option B is correct, mythical. Next, question number 3. Here, answer the following questions briefly in your own words. So the first one, give 2 examples to show how the pull of gravity serves a useful purpose in our lives. So the 2 examples are, first, it keeps railway trains on the track. Second, it produces waterfalls from which electric power can be generated. Second one, who used the idea in fiction of overcoming the pull of gravity in space travel? Explain how he made his idea work in fiction. So the answer will be H.G. Wells used the idea of overcoming the pull of gravity in space travel. The cabin of his spaceship was fitted with roller blinds of carborite, a mythical substance with the power of cutting off gravity. By rolling it down, he made his idea work in fiction. Next, number C. Why is the pull of gravity a nuisance in space travel? So the answer will be the pull of gravity is a nuisance in space travel because it tries to prevent us from leaving the earth. Number D. State the 2 things about the Paris gun as told in the passage. So the answer will be it was the largest gun known as Big Bertha. Second, it could send a shell 75 miles and it could not be put into action again. Next question, number E. Why does the rocket succeed in space travel whereas the gun fails? So the answer could be rocket succeeds because it avoided the troubles of air resistance by arranging for the greatest speeds once it comes up above the denser atmosphere. Next, number 4, here you have to write not more than 50 words and state the problems posed by the pull of gravity and how they can be overcome with regard to space travel. So the answer could be the problems posed by the pull of gravity is that it tries to prevent us from leaving the earth. It can be overcome with regard to the space travel by means of a bigger push in the opposite direction with the greatest speeds once it reaches above the denser atmosphere. Next, question number 5. Here you have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. So you read the passage. Let me provide you the answer. So the first one will be continued. Second, recommended. Third, known. Fourth, is diluted. Fifth, reduces. Sixth, caused. Seventh, are suffering. And last one will be taking. Next number here, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. So the first one, I came across this story in a magazine. Second, my brother will back out of my claim. See, we saw the bridge over the river. He has been absent since morning. They were dancing with joy. He always ran for money. The river is of 60 miles long. He is coming to the house. Next, join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but, or so. So choose the correct option. So the first one, Adrian is very clever. No problem is difficult for him. So here option A could be taken. Since Adrian is very clever, no problem is difficult for him. Second, I spoke to a man. The man is a magistrate. So here option D is correct. The man I spoke to is a magistrate. Number 3, she is a doctor. She is a dancer. So here option D is correct. Besides being a doctor, she is a dancer. Number 4, where shall we stay in the village? This is the problem. So here option C could be taken. The problem is that where we shall stay in the village. Next, number 4, here again you have to select the correct options. So the first one, have you reserved a seat? I asked him. So here you have to begin the sentence with I asked him. So here option A is correct. I asked him if he had reserved a seat. Second one, the train journey from Kochi to Delhi takes 2 days. So here you have to begin with the sentence it is. So here option A could be taken. It is a 2-day train journey from Kochi to Delhi. Next, number 3, if nobody wants it, I will throw it away. So here we have to use unless. So here option C is correct. Unless somebody wants it, I will throw it away. Number 4, he seemed to be warming up. So here option C is correct. It seems that he was warming up. Number 5, as one grows older, one becomes wiser. So here we have to begin the sentence with the older. So here option A is correct. The older one grows, the wiser one becomes. Next, number 6, Money is the prettiest girl in this colony. So here option A is correct. Is Money the most prettiest girl in this colony? Number 7, having finished his work, he went to play. So here option D is correct. When he had finished his work, he went to play. The last one, she can never refuse awards. Here you have to end the sentence with awards. So here option B is correct. Can she ever refuse awards? And if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and like the video.